So few days back I made a video on Balu Forge where I did the complete analysis of the stock, and in the price action part I mentioned that it needs to break a certain level of price which will be considered as a breakout, and after that we can make an entry. So in this video I am going to give you the price action update of this stock, and if you have not watched the previous video I am going to leave that link in the description section. I will request all of you to please go and watch that video because this stock is a precious one and you should not miss out, right? So let's get into the price action update for this stock, but just a reminder that this is not a stock recommendation video at all. Please do the buying and selling of stocks based on your own risk appetite. With that said, let's get started. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Balu Forge, and you can see that this red area that I have marked is the resistance level, and this is the same level that I showed in my previous video. Okay, so now the question is, if we are waiting for this level to be broken, then what is the update that I am trying to give in this video today? So few things I want to highlight. First of all, you can see that this line, the blue line that I have drawn, is acting as the support area. Why is that? Because two times already it has bounced up from this level, and here also it has bounced up. And one thing you can clearly see, this two candlesticks pattern. Can you name the candlestick pattern here, the two candlestick pattern combination? If you know the name, you can pause the video and write it down in the comment section. So this is the piercing pattern, okay, where the green candle actually goes above the middle part of the previous red candle, I mean the close, okay, and that has happened. And the next day also there is strength in the stock, and you can see the stock starting to go up. Okay, so can we just judge from this two candlesticks pattern that the stock is going to continue the uptrend from this point and it will lead to a breakout here? Well, not necessarily. We need more confirmation. So let us look at other confirmations as well. So first of all, I'm going to use the 50 EMA, and there we go. You can clearly see this blue line, okay, the line at the bottom here, the 50 EMA. Just a second. Yes, this one. This blue line is the 50 EMA, and you can see how nicely it is providing support. And the stock, after touching it, it has given, if you draw a line like this and go to 1 hour time frame, you can see a clear breakout here, and the stock is starting to go up. So definitely it is one more factor which is adding to the pros of this stock. I mean, which is adding to the factor that the stock could lead to a breakout here. Okay, so this is the 50 EMA, and if I go to the weekly chart, I can use the same 10 EMA thing. It's the same thing as 50 EMA, and you can see it is providing support. Okay, strong support from this 10 weeks EMA. Okay, now I'm going back to the 50 EMA in daily time frame. Okay, now we have to check the momentum indicators as well. So if I open the momentum indicators, what do I see? So you can see the MACD has already given a crossover today itself. Okay, although the day has not closed, but one thing that we need to watch is that during this sideways action, the MACD actually never dropped below the zero line. It stayed above that. You can clearly see the MACD stayed above that, clearly indicating there is strength. And during this period, if you are an investor, then during this period, at any point you can add more units of the stock if you are already holding, okay, some units of the stock. If not, if you want to make an fresh entry, then I would say this is a good time to make an entry. But again, reminding, this is not a stock recommendation, okay, just an educational video. Okay, so we have already got one green bar here, a crossover here. And what do the RSI tell us? So the RSI is also showing us the same thing. It has gone up above 60 continuously, back to back uptrend, and definitely we can consider that this is a good time to make an entry. But if you are you do not want to take any risk and you want to only enter after confirmation, then you will have to wait for this level to be broken. The level is 895, you can say. So you can round it to 897. Okay, so you can round it up to 900. Okay, you have to wait for the 900 level to be broken. The current price is 825. But if you want to invest some units of the stock right now and wait for the remaining to invest after the 900 level is broken, then that also you can do. There is no problem in that. Okay, 825, 900, right? And these are two good levels of buying, and I have already shown all the factors which are actually giving us a hint that the uptrend could continue from this point, right? So that is the overall update I wanted to give on Balu Forge. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts. And also reminding you that do not forget to watch my previous video on Balu Forge. You will find the link in the description section, and also the link to my other channel, Financial Affairs, that also you will find in the description section. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.